Well, everything's a hot mess right now. I mean, look at my hair. That's even a hot mess. But it's always a hot mess. We have these hairs. And they're so short. My mom shaved them off though. And I don't know if I want to do that again. Well, we are gonna do a few things around the new apartment and try to clean up a little. And then we're gonna go shopping for some stuff. Mom, what do we need to get?
Just stuff to hang things.
Okay, stuff to hang things. And probably some other stuff. But we'll find out. We're gonna go adventure into a new community today. We aren't really doing anything crazy because this place is a mess. We need to clean it up. I'm gonna I slept without my humidifier last night. So now my voice is all scratchy. Can we make sure we hook up my humidifier? I know I want to plug it in. Because my voice doesn't like me today. Mom, can we hook up my humidifier?
Deanna, yes. When I get there.
Okay.
Okay, let me finish doing this.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mama's getting aggravated with me. There we go. It's February 21st. And Mom, you need to set up my humidifier and plug it in.
Oh my God, yes, Deanna.
Because
I have so much shit to do, and all you want to do is complain.
I don't complain.
Well, I got a lot of stuff to do, Deanna.
Yeah,
There's only so much I can do at one time.
I understand that. I just said later by tonight. I need my humidifier.
I will try my best. I mean, I'm still doing my room, your room. I'm still doing, I haven't even done the kitchen, the living room, or the bathroom. What else do you want from me, kid?
I know.
Okay. I'm trying my best.
I understand that, and I know that.
Okay.
I'm just saying, I sound like crap, and it's because I did not have my humidifier.
Well,
I know I spent my whole life without one, but you really don't realize you need one until you have one. So, we are at, well, we just lifted that, so I had little burp stuff in my throat. Well, I told you last night it was just for our first night, and it felt so good to wake up peaceful.
it did. Felt really good. I woke up a couple times last night, you know, but I was tired. Today, I'm just going to work on the house and get everything together. You know, I can't do anything else. Tomorrow, you have therapy at 8 o'clock in the morning, so I'm going to go back to where our place is, and okay? Because that's where we're going.
first thing in the morning.
Yes.
But I don't want to go back there.
Well, you have no choice, Deanna. We have to go. All right?
But my handicap car is not in the back.
Well, you know what, Deanna? We have to survive. Okay?
I'll make sure if I fall, I'll smash my face.
You're an idiot.
Just you say, hey Mom, you told me it was a good idea.
Yeah, I know you would do something like that because you're dumb sometimes.
So, are we going to Target now?
No, we're going to Walmart. We're going to wash my car. We're going to get a COVID test. And then we're going to Walmart. And then we're going home. That's all we got.
Why not Target?
Because I don't have time to go whatever's closest, Deanna. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay?
I hope a Target is closer. Because there's this, are we getting Starbucks at home?
Never even thought of that. Probably.
We'll see. Okay, we are just waiting to get COVID tested. My mom needs it for her job, and they have to get one once every couple of weeks.
I test every couple weeks.
So we are actually going out to eat.
These mailboxes. How they're facing. Isn't that weird? Those are facing this way, and this are facing that way. That's crazy. Oh, see, they're long ways, and these are this way, isn't it? Cranky today. And drink me.
I'm not cranky. I just
Cranky.
yeah, I know that. You're a pain in my butt. I just took my medicine. Good luck getting me to functioning.
Go to eat after you wake up from your nap.
No, I'm not gonna take a nap.
Well, after your moodiness goes away.
Well, no, I want to go. You're not gonna withhold food. Especially when I don't eat as it is. Thank goodness I some gas on because my eyes are shut. Oh, I can't. There we go. My eyes were not open anymore. I do need you to grab me one back fin. I'm not taking any more of my Disney.
I'm doing okay.
Mom and I eating at this Mexican restaurant, and I have to look at the menu.
No.
In my phone. Mom. My mom said again. I'm like, yes, again. And the way she looking at me right now, I think it's funny.
Hello.
Oh. She's, what? Poblano peppers. This sauce is so good.
Oh my goodness.
There you go.
There you go, dude.
And I'll be right back with some water for you.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Guacamole.
That's a lot.
So, Mom is working away, and she's not very happy. I threw out a lot of jewelry.
All right, you can move that.